UPassive Review. Introduction. If you are frustrated in this extraordinary time, I am sure you need to kick off an online business, the most strategic planning now to cope with this COVID era. Trust me, if you do not act now, you will be falling behind and get more and more stressed losing your jobs or being exhausted dealing with the endless bills. But I know what you are thinking, doing an online business is not an easy task at all, especially if you are a newbie and have no site to host, no landing page or no tools to manage. If you are in those cases, let me introduce you to a very helpful software that creates all things for you from the bottom to the top to run your business. It is called UPassive. What is UPassive? UPassive is a cloud-based software that creates up to 4 passive income streams for you every single day. Literally, as its name, you are totally passive doing your business since all you need to do is to pick any topic in any niche then set it up in 5 minutes, then just leave it alone and phew, you will earn passive income pouring into your account. Features and benefit. There are plenty of features and countless benefits with UPassive that I listed few of them as below. Unlimited demand. This works in any niche. Your options are virtually unlimited. Pick any topic that comes to mind, and set up a site for it in 5 minutes or less. Multiple upfronts and long-term income streams. This system is built for effortless scaling. As its free traffic grows, so does its profit potential from 4 powerful income streams. Passive with integration to multiple revenue streams. The system fully automates everything and gives you the power of income diversity. Pre-monetized straight out of the box. Beta testers loved this part. No struggling to figure out how to monetize, it's already set up for you. Free traffic included, just say no to paid ads, it hasn't looked back since. Turning on this free traffic app is super simple, lightning fast and it's incredibly effective for these specific pages. Built-in scaling, simple's great, but a system that grows with you? Priceless. Your UPassive pages include 3 platforms for growing your long-term profitability. Creating blogs and writing daily content. Making videos to share on 6 more social networks. Networking in dozens of different pages and groups. Answering questions on forums to build authority. Buying and learning page building software, video editors and more complicated tools. Creating websites. Studying SEO. Building e-com stores. Making products. Learning advertising. Setting up funnels. How does it work? There are only literally 3 steps to earn such benefits from UPassive. Step 1. Get the software right now to get the best deal then set it up. This works in any niche on demand so no worries, you will pick the niche you want. Step 2. Add your monetization. Choose the niche you want and create a campaign in seconds. Step 3. Activate the free traffic. Yes, even the traffic is included with UPassive. It's all so easy. You can share your campaigns to those traffics and any social media platforms you want. Then sit back to wait for money pouring on your accounts. Pros and cons. Pros. Cloud-based app. Nothing to install or download. Access from any device. Fully fledged online business solution. Pick a niche, any niche. You can choose completely different niches, or subcategories within a single niche if you prefer. Fast, see results as soon as today. Easy, no previous experience or tech skills needed. Unlimited market, do this part-time, full-time or anytime you want some cash on demand. No more overhead costs, includes all the free tools you need. Secure one-time fee, 100% money-back guarantee, up to 4 passive income streams, 100% free built-in traffic included. No monthly fees or expenses. 100% automated and easy. UPassive includes everything you need for game-changing results. It automates mini sites in any niche on demand. You just need to set it up once and you keep getting paid over and over without you even having to be online, without any complicated setup or maintenance. Cons. Haven't found so far. Who should buy it? UPassive is definitely an awesome product for any e-commerce, especially for everyone who wants to make money online using the easiest way. Best for beginners. Affiliate marketers. Price and evaluation. Below are the details of different options offered to purchase UPassive. Check them out and pick up your favorite one. Front-end pricing structure dash. FE, $16.93 on a dime sale, Funnel Mail Suite. Auto 1, Elite Edition. Auto 2, done for you. Auto 3, high ticket integration. Auto 4, DFY campaigns. Auto 5, limitless traffic. Auto 6, license rights to everything. Conclusion. This is the end of my UPassive review. I hope that my video will lend you a hand in choosing the right tool for your business. Well, I bet that you want to own this product now. So, click the first link in the description now before the price goes up. Lastly, if you like this product, comment below and let me know.